Alright, we're going to do a red poppies in a yellow field. We drew a line in pencil along 2/3 right up on the top here, 1/3 coming down, and then we're going to draw a shape in water just of a larger poppy, medium size connected to the larger poppy, mid-size one out here, small one here, another mid-size, another small one. Okay, first we're going to start with some permanent rose. We're going to add a little permanent rose into each one of these. Okay, now I'm going to go into a darker red. Use some alizarin crimson. Actually do across the top above where the water is. We're going to work it down. Then I'm going to use some burnt sienna. Give a little darker tone to it. The base of it. A little brown madder. Even darken it up more. Okay. Then we'll even throw in a little French blue to get even darker towards the base. All using a 1-inch flat brush. There we go. I'm going to clean out the brush. I'm going to tip up this watercolor paper. You put masking tape underneath it. Let it tip up a little bit. In fact, I'll hold it up and I'll tip it up more. Now I'll take a small brush, wet it a little bit, drop it on, try to get drops to come down. Maybe add a little more red to it. There. Get it to drip. There we go. Doesn't have to go straight. Get each one to drip. There we go. Now we've got stems coming down. Okay. Now I want to get a background. I'm going to go into a 1.5 inch brush, chiseled edge. I'm going to go into a rolling yellow. It's kind of a darker yellow. I'm going to wet the background down. Actually, I should wet it up first a little bit. Slightly damp. Should get more water. Putting a little clear water in here so it runs better. Keeping away from the flowers itself. Work it down here. Down in there. Now, pick up this darker bright yellow. Bring it across in here. Also, let's put a sun over here. Put a round sun. There we go. Oh, the sun coming over the hill. Let's bring more of the yellow down in. Get more yellow coming across. More yellow. There we go. More yellow. Okay, starting to come forward. Okay, there we go. And a little bit more yellow. Now to brighten this up, I'll take a number 8 round brush. I'll get some of the alizarin crimson, just dabble it across here a little bit in some spots. So you can see like there's poppies further back in the field. Okay. And as it's working its way around, we can shape this flower up a little more. Get some more alizarin crimson. Pull it in a little bit more. Darken a little more. A little more alizarin crimson. Some more alizarin crimson. And there we go. Now let's get a contrasting color here. I'm going to switch to a number 10 round brush. And I'm going to put in some cerulean blue into the sky. And down a little bit into the foreground. There we go. There we go. Had that cerulean blue with a little bit of the yellow mixed up in it. One below. There we go.